Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very different from my other videos. If you watched my last video, I was talking about how I'm kind of in a creative rut. Like I'm trying to come up with new ideas and things that I want to do for my channel and for my content, and I think I got to the conclusion that I want to put more of my life and myself to my videos, because my videos are mostly book recommendations and they're very straightforward, so you actually don't really see the behind the scenes or my day-to-day life. So I'm going to try to just put out more vlogs, just so you guys get to know me, get to know what I do, the behind the scenes. Today's video is all about room makeovers, transformations, and I'm really excited because I really want to share this journey and I love watching these videos. So if you don't know, I do live at home and this is my room, the room that you always see. This is my room, and in my house there's kind of another type of den that actually nobody uses. So I kind of made a deal with my mom that I'm going to switch my room and everything to that den, and that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. And I'm so excited because I'm going to have a kind of larger space, and that's the thing that you're gonna see. You're gonna see me putting everything together. Let's start. Okay, so I hope you can hear me because I'm filming on my phone and I don't know how the audio quality is in here, but this is gonna be my new room. When you walk through the door, I have all of these things that I need to move. So this is the before, obviously. Hi, I'm there. Okay, so here's a window, then here it's how it's going. It's a mess at the moment, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I have to move this, I have to move a lot of things, but it's gonna look so good. I'm really excited. So that is the before.